Welcome back to my YouTube channel, one-on-one YouTube channel, where we bring you tips and hacks on how to maximize your productivity of your smartphone. In today's video, we're going to discuss about what makes charging points spoil easily, and two, how to do first aid for your charging point before taking it to a professional. If you are just joining this channel for the first time, my name is Ibrahim Hassan. I bring you tips and hacks on how to use your phone smoothly. Please do help us to like, share, and press the bell notification button so as to be the first to be notified when we drop a new video. So let's dive into the topic of the day. Now, there are two major things that spoil our charging point: using different USB cable to charge our phone at every slightest opportunity we have. So what you should do is have a designated charger assigned to that particular phone. Why? Because the moment you start changing charger USB from one USB to another, you are in turns spoiling your charging point, because it has a rubber there that houses the pin that takes in current into the smartphone. So when you change that port, that's the charger, the USB, like every day, so it in turns spoil this. It eats up that rubber and it will start shaking. So the charging point will surely get spoiled. So that's number one tip. Find a USB or a charger assigned to that phone, and you are going to enjoy your phone or your charging point for a very long time. Second thing you have to stop putting your USB in your mouth. Like I said in my previous video, if you've not watched my video where I said how you're going to use your USB for a very long time, I'll leave the link below so that you're going to see how you can use your USB for a long time. Now, stop putting the USB in your mouth, because it not only spoil your USB, it in turn spoil your charging point, because when there is a bit of saliva on it and you use it to charge directly, now what it will happen is it will start corrupting this port and the USB. So the USB will get spoiled and your port is going to get spoiled too. So don't use your mouth to test your USB. Now, if peradventure you notice your phone is not charging very fast, or is not even charging at all, so there are things you have to look for before taking it to a professional. That's first aid you have to do. So I'm going to drop that in my next video. So for you to be able to benefit from that, please do come back to watch my next video. So if you find this valuable, please like, subscribe, and press the bell notification button to be able to be the first person to be notified when we drop a new video. Thanks for watching and stay blessed until I come your way next time.